Hi, I'm Tony Fleming, and this is Fleming's Ultimate Garage.
Good morning. How is everybody? We're going to go out for a quick ride so you can see how nice this car is.
Hit it, Scott.
So we finally got some nice weather here today, so I wanted to take this car out and show you, because I love this. This car is fantastic. It's got all the nice features. We've got all air conditioning, we've got power disc brakes, we've got Bluetooth auxiliary radio, brand new Autometer gauges, showing only 1634 since this car was redone. I have some pictures of the restoration as well. We're just going to take a little cruise going up and down the road for you all, and you can imagine how nice this will be when you take it home and put her in your garage.
Bye-bye, Prius.
You can pass more than Priuses in this.